Rick Hohensee here, presidentbyamendment.com, and without the .com. I'm here to brag today, because this, the four draw reed in here was not born in this harmonica. This is a Big River, and the four draw reed is a little bit weaker than these phosphor bronze dudes in here because it's out of a blues band, and I was able to change the reeds with no special hardware. I poked the old reed out with a 1-inch C clamp and a screw duct taped to the base of the C clamp to act as a poker, and then the rivet is a piece of 1.5 inch paper clip, which just fits in the hole. You got to sand it a little bit. It kind of acts as a reamer. It's a gob job. The reed didn't sit nice and neat, but it still works. I mean, if the reed had sit flat when I crimped it, it might sound better than this. Now this is circular tune, by the way, starting at C, in C. Lots of stuff you can't do on a marine band and circular tuning, but I just had to brag on my no particular kit reed change. And I did the crimp with the backside of a pair of needle nose pliers where the handles come together, and if you close the needle nose pliers, the handles are only about 1/8 of an inch apart. Put the reed and the rivet and whatnot in there and clamp that, and then mushed it down pretty good. And a paper clip is stainless steel apparently, so it kind of works. The harp works.